Yo, hello great people, African traveler again. You guys requested we redo this road to show you guys the progress. So today we are in the Kenol Marua road. This is an 84-kilometer road stretching all the way from Kenol to Marua. And this is part of the Great North Road leading all the way to Ethiopia. So this is a very vital road in the whole of Africa. With the main plan is to link Cairo to Cape Town. And this is the part of the, as I said, Great North Road. And the main funders of the project are the Kenyan government and the African Development Bank. So the project has been ongoing since 2020 and it was projected to end December 2022. So today we're in the middle of December and we're going to show you guys the progress. It being completed before end of December, highly unlikely, but the progress has been tremendous and we're going to show you, and hopefully we're going to get some feedback from the people who are currently using the road. This road is one of the worst roads in terms of traffic and one of the worst roads when it comes to crazy driving. I have used so many roads in Kenya, as you know, I'm a traveler, and anytime I use this road, I've never met crazy drivers any other time like this road. This road also linked to Central Province, the Eastern Province, and as well as the northern part of Kenya as you head towards Ethiopia. When this road is completed, it will really transform the country in a way that it will be used, especially on the lower side of Ethiopia, which is way closer to Kenya as compared to Djibouti. Ethiopia will find it ideal, especially on the southern side of Ethiopia, will be more ideal to use the port of Mombasa or Lamu compared to using the port of Djibouti. So this road is very vital, and we're going to show you a lot as we go along, and hopefully we'll get some more feedback on the road. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Peace out. So the road starts here. The construction began from this point. As you can see, there's some final work being undertaken. So let's see how it is so far. So we're in Kenol. Kenol is the first major town after Thika. It is the main junction to your way to Moranga, as well as Nyeri to Moyale to Ethiopia in Moranga County. Quite some work, guys, you can see. The last time we passed here, it was badly blocked. But this time is way better. At least there's a movement of cars. As I said, the road is expected to be completed in December, which I don't see. Some work ongoing, some ongoing works. I see some trucks. Ah, no, it's not far. It can be done. Can be done. Sagana River. Let's look at the changes here. Wow. Wow, this is amazing. The second bridge. Makutano. Hello guys, I don't think the road is still far from the projected dates. In Kirinyaga, as you can see, we have a lot of rice, Miguna supermarket. It's still very far from it. A lot of rice. Probably light, but we need some. The Kenol Sagana Marua Highway Improvement Project is part of the Afrikan Highway, which runs all the way from Cairo to Cape Town, passes through Nairobi and Moyale. The project road also links the capital city of Nairobi to some of the major commercially and agricultural rich Mount Kenya region, as well as Ethiopia through the Moyale border. Thus, it will contribute to enhancing movement of goods and services, people, between counties in central, eastern Kenya, the capital city of Nairobi, the northern Kenya, link with Ethiopia. The project consists of dualing of 84 kilometers of the Kenol Sagana Marua Road with grade-separated junctions, road safety intervention, and social complementary initiatives. The project also includes soft components such as training of unemployed youth, institutional capacity building, monitoring and evaluation, sensitizing and awareness, tree planting, among others. The cost of the project is around $257.68 million, and this is as of 2020. The project is co-financed by the Bank Group Africa and the Kenyan government. The overall implementation period was supposed to be 5 years. So the good thing is the previous president actually expedited the project ending in December 2024. It was expedited and it was supposed to be completed 1 year earlier. So and this is some of the major projects that the former President Uhuru, expedited, and others include the Eastern Bypass that were really done at a very fast pace so that people can enjoy the fruits, the earlier, the better. The government will need $3.2 billion to compensate families in Madira Nyeri County, whose land was acquired for the dualing of the Kenol Marua Road. The residents were affected at section between Kagosho and Marua on the 84-kilometer road that connects Kenol in Murang'a County to Marua in Nyeri County. Restaurant owners along the highway have applauded the government for expanding the Kenol Sagana Marua Highway to a dual carriage, saying this has improved their business tremendously. They attributed the growth and progress are experiencing to the expansion of the Nairobi Sagana Highway to a dual carriage. Notably, restaurant, eateries and petrol station line up along the highway have increasingly become popular stopover for motorists heading to and from Mount Kenya region. One of the businessmen along the highway said that he has been on a steady rise with many customers frequenting his restaurant, including those involved in the road construction. We serve hundreds of customers every day. At time, even parking space become a problem due to the huge numbers of customers who comes in. So the road has really opened up the area to the larger Mount Kenya region, not forgetting to the northern Kenya, expansion of so many businesses in the area due to the fact that so many of the travelers are using the road and can imagine all the way to Ethiopia, more and more are preferring to use this road because of how seamless and flawless it is. It's yet to be there, still a bit far from that, but so far so good. The businesses are growing up. This is one of the worst roads to use, and I can say for a fact that it's getting better. Still far from using all the roads for people who are driving, but the minute this is done, it will greatly open up the area in a big way. Not forgetting the fact that central Kenya in a big way feeds Nairobi in terms of fresh food, in terms of fruits and vegetables. So it will be a big milestone in the end. The projected date for completion to December 2022, I don't see it forthcoming. The road is like 3-4 months away. We can still see a lot of construction ongoing until night when we're coming back, but still far from over, especially in the second phase, which is from Sagana all the way to Marua. A bigger part of the section are yet to be done, and so marking still very far from being done across the whole stretch. Other than that, great job to the contractors. They've done a good progress so far, and the current government would put more effort to complete the project. we are finally at Marua. Tumekuja kununua hapa mahindi. Njaa imetupiga. So we are on the final lap. This is the road where it ends. But tumekuja kununua mahindi. So tuko hapa hivi na madam. Unaitwa Lucy?
Lucy Wanjiko.
Lucy Wanjiko. So Lucy Wanjiko, ningetaka kujua vile barabara imeendelea kupanuka. Kuna any mabadiliko area? Do you feel anything change?
Kuna mabadiliko huku, kunaendelea vizuri juu hata kazi inaendelea vizuri. Inapanuka siku hizi.
Watu wamekuwa kuja wengi?
Wanakuja.
Biashara imeongezeka vizuri, ile kiasi kubwa ama tu kiasi yake?
Ni kiasi yake siku hizi juu hakuna pesa, juu hakukuwa na mvua, lakini sasa hii mvua ilinyesha, kunaenda vizuri sasa hii.
So unafurahia mabadiliko? So unajua kiisha itakuwa zaidi?
Itakuwa zaidi kabisa.
Nimefurahia sana. Mahindi ni tamu sana. Patia karanja madhu hapo yake. So guys,
mimi nimeshukuru sana kuja kunipromote kazi yangu.
Asante. Najua wengi watakuja. Sasa hizo watu wengi I think wanatumia njia wakienda juu, si ndio? Wameacha ile side nyingine.
Wameacha ile side nyingine wanaelekea hivi.
So wanakuja hivi. So wengi wakizidi kuja hivi utapata kazi nyingi. Joseph, uko vipi?
Niko sawa.
Unasemaje, maendeleo imekuaje huko?
Maendeleo imekuwa namna juu. Saizi kazi venye iko. Kazi inaonekana inaweza kuwa. Lakini kitu ya muhimu sana ni wagaidi barabara venye itakuwa. Juu accident hapa itakuwa mengi.
So unahofia accidents?
Accident, because juzi hapa hivi kuna gari pale hivyo, gari ya abiria ilikuwa na watoto. Ilipigwa na hiyo lori ya mshaina. Sasa hivyo imepigwa na gari ya mshaina. Hiyo gari geta madada si mzuri hapa. Lakini wanafaa bado wakitengeneza hii barabara. Ya muhimu sana hata hapa hivi waweke bumps.
So bump
itakuwa poa.
Na maendeleo kumebadilika anything up area?
Sasa kulingana na hii mambo sasa tukiwa na Christmas. Biashara inaonekana inaweza kuwa juu.
Inaweza pika.
Lakini wanakosea bado road. Kulingana na venye barabara imejengwa. Unapata msema amepitishwa kwa Jana kabla tu gudia kabla hajarudi huku. Sasa anakuja kupata cash kwa hapo magaini. Unashikia amepita hadi Gatitu. Kwa sababu juu barabara venye imetengenezwa hakuwa ameasha hivyo.
So wanapata ma surprise kibao.
Kibao sawa ndio wanakuwa wengi. Sasa fruit na wasabaki wanapata kitu vizuri.
Na mijengo imechange ama tu ni vile vile?
Mijengo ni vile vile tu.
Haijabadilika.
Imebadilika. Kulingana na saa yenye hii road imejengwa. Sasa yenye imeshumbuliwa. Unapata kwenu uliacha hii road ikiwa pale hivyo. Sasa unapata hii road iliama. Sasa inabidiwa saa.
Stage ina move. Inasonga.
Stage ina move.
Poa sana Joseph. Nashukuru sana kwa maoni yako.
Sasa fete.
Poa sana.
Shukrani.
Ongezeka kama imekuwa. Ni watu wamekuwa wengi ama?
Watu ni wengi. Barabara iko busy. Tukapata
so imekuwa busy kushinda before. So ikiisha kabisa itakuwa sawa.
Itakuwa sawa.
So mami unaitwa? Gladys. Tumenunua doma kwa Gladys. Haya, sisi tuje tuwapigie hapa picha tuseme tuko dem. So we come to the end of our day today and I hope you guys enjoyed. The trip was made possible by some of you who requested. So let us know where you want us to go next, and we are hopeful we'll be able to. From the last video we did, so many people requested we go to Mombasa side, and I hope with the better planning and finances we'll be able to take you guys there. So fingers crossed, so that we can show you guys how the country is progressing. Let us know where else you guys would love us to show you, the project you love us to feature, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much.